is an exciting day. It's sheep shearing day. So, this is the before picture. The sheep have a lot to say about it. Hi. Hi, Jessa. The sheep are wondering why they haven't been taken out to the pasture. They're not happy about it. And the babies are not happy because some of them are being weaned. These babies have already been weaned. Jessie, Jackie, and Lilly. Those four are being weaned, so they want to spend time with their mamas. But these poor sheep, they just want to go outside and eat grass. But they can't until after they're sheared. Their wool is really thick. This is Ella. She's the leader of the pack, and she likes to get a back rub. She won't need a back rub quite so much after she's sheared. Does that feel good? Oh, yeah. And this is Jill. Hi, Jill. You're going to get your wool sheared off today, and you'll be a lot cooler. What's really nice is our sheep shearer makes house calls, or barn calls. Here's Lilly. Lily's in line behind Lilly and Elena. And there's Miss Joss's. Joss is just starting to wean her lamb, so that's why she's got an udder. She is okay, Lily. And then we have Elvira. Elvira, she's very loud. Here comes Lily. There she goes.